So hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and this is going to be a very important video for everyone who wants a premium credit card but don't want to shed out a lot of annual fees or joining fees for it. So Bank of Baroda has officially started this offer where you are getting a Bank of Baroda Eterna. They're one of the highest end credit cards, lifetime free. Yes, you heard it right. It is available on from their website. It is available till 31st December of 2025. And why exactly are they doing this? And is this card worth it? We are going to discuss all about that. So this is a card whose annual fees is around 2,499 plus GST. However, in the recent times, and if you have this card earlier, you know that the 2499 is refundable whenever you there is a spend based criteria and you can get that back. Apart from that, you get extra points as well. So not having this actually is a negative thing, because in any case you are not getting the 10,000 extra reward points, which is again worth 2,500 rupees. So let's talk about the card and why you should consider this card. Like, if you don't have any other card whose reward rate is around or less than 3.75%, you can then consider this card. However, if you are into the cashback ecosystem, this card will not make a much of sense, but there are few benefits which will come with this, and it does make it special. So you get 5x reward points. So the base reward points of this card is actually 3 reward points per 100 for all your spends. But if you spend on specific categories, that is on travel, on international, or on dining, you get 15 reward points and not 5. So that comes out to be a value. The value is 3.75%, because each reward point is worth rupees 25 paisa. Apart from that, you have a limited complimentary access to domestic lounge access and a reduced forex of 2% on international spend. So on international spends as well, the total charges you end up paying is somewhere around 2.18%, including the GST. But the total reward rates which you get with this card is 3.75%. So again, a net positive returns which you get. Then you have a special gift voucher from FitPass, which is a complimentary thing worth somewhere around 10 to 15,000 rupees, and you get 6 months of FitPass Pro with this card. So this is one good thing. If you are into gymming, then it can save you 6 months of bill over there. Apart from that, you can get Book My Shows. From District app, you can get rupees 250 off on one Book My Show ticket every month. And this is like minimum of 2 movie tickets is to be procured, and you can get a 100% discount like on the second ticket up to rupees 250. Again, it is better than some of the other movie cards which is available there. If you are especially a guy who only watches movies, are off around 250-300 bucks. Apart from that, online shopping, again, it gives you 3.75%. So is it worth it? In my case, I had a paid Eterna. So in that sense, when I requested Bank of Baroda to actually make this card lifetime free, convert it into a lifetime free card, they said no, and that is why I actually closed this card. Otherwise, with the fees, it was pretty okay, because you were getting both the milestones of 10,000 reward points and 2,499 returns because of milestones. But as of now, when you see over here, so when you spend around 50,000 rupees in the first 60 months, you get a bonus of 10,000 reward points. So that is the only thing which you are going to get as of now. And for 5 lakh, you get 20,000 additional bonus points. So that is 5,000 rupees worth of points in 5 lakh rupees. So that's 1% what you get on spending 5 lakh, apart from the existing 3.75%. Your fee waiver criteria is not required anymore, and 2,50,000 you don't have to spend. So in that sense, this card does make a lot of sense. 1% of fuel surcharge waiver, 3 reward points per 100, and you can straight away get the returns in terms of 1 reward point is equal to 0.25 paisa as a statement cashback. So if it is one of your primary cards, I think you need to change it to some other card, because this is not a primary card because of the reward rates and the value of the reward points. However, Bob can take a picture from IDFC's page, and they can definitely increase the points value to somewhere around 7% if they open their own travel portal and rewards the values of the points by 50% only. So that comes out to be around 50 paisa, and then it will offer you 7.5% of return, which will keep it in the league of some of the top cards. Again, it's a hypothetical situation. I'm not sure they are going to get it, but the good thing about this card is the approval rates are very high. So in case you are wondering whether you should take this card or not, to take it as a lifetime free card, you don't have to pay anything. But if you are interested, then I'll drop a link, because a lot of people have received their cards using that link. And if you are interested, definitely try your luck. You will get either this card or any other Bob's card, because this card will mostly be used by either the add-on card holders, because it is a very good benefit with this card. You get add-on cards without a lot of paper documentation, and that is one good thing with this. Apart from that, the only other time this card is being used is sometimes when there are 10% or 15% discount offers on some specific merchants. Rather than that, if you want to have this card, definitely, because of the reason that this is one bank's card should be there with you, at least one, and so that you can use it during the sales and everything. However, this being free till 31st December, there is no other choice actually. So if you like this video, really appreciate if you do hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll just put a link in the description. If you are interested in this card, just click it, and I hope that you get this card along with all of your others. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun. Take care, bye bye, see you, and Jai Hind.